Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov. I'm a math teacher, and today we're going to learn how to make fun stuff with fractions for kids. Now, I'm not going to advocate any specific candy company, but candy is the best way to get kids to learn about fractions. Now, if you're health conscious and you don't want kids eating a bunch of sugar, you can use carrots or celery sticks. But the idea is you want things with a lot of small parts. So let's say we have 8 candies. And you can put them out in front on a plate, and you say, okay, well, there's 8 candies total. That's how many are on the plate. If you give 4 to a kid, the kid has 4 out of 8 total. Now, when you say that, they have 4 out of 8 total. You can also say 8 possible. That was supposed to be an 8. 8 possible candies. So, as long as you keep saying it, 4 out of 8, 4 out of 8, you can then say, we represent it in math like this, 4 out of 8, or 4 out of 8. And then if you want to simplify the fraction and teach them, take away 1 candy from what the kid has, and take away 1 candy from what's left, take away another, and then you have 2 out of 4, and then 1 out of 2. And these are all equal fractions. So I'm Charlie Kasov, and you just learned fun ways to play with fractions for kids. Thanks a lot.